How to set up the HORI Racing Wheel Overdrive in PC or Windows. Now, setting up your very first HORI Racing Wheel Overdrive via into your PC is very easy. So outside the box, you should be able to receive the steering wheel and the pedals itself. I'm going to provide you a manual. So in this manual, it is actually showing that the first wire that you use is from the pedals, from your outlet, and the port directly into your computer. So from the pedals, it kind of looks actually like a LAN cable that you use to connect into your internet via your physical router. Attach it from pedal into your steering wheel, and then next is make sure that you fully attach the power cables at the back of the steering wheel into the power outlet so that it will turn on completely. And then last is going to be the USB port directly into your PC. Now, once you've connected the USB port at the back of your steering wheel to the PC, go into your PC, open up any available web browser, then go into hori.co.uk's website. Now, once you're here, go into the search box and type in HORI Racing Wheel, HORI Racing Wheel Overdrive, and you should be able to see a lot of options here. But choose on Racing Wheel Overdrive designed for Xbox Series X or for Xbox One. It's actually the same. So from here, scroll down and then go to Support tab, and then simply download the software, which is going to be HORI Device Manager app for Xbox Series. And once you fully downloaded this, simply install it, and then you should be able to connect it over using that software. And that's it. That's how you set up the HORI Racing Wheel Overdrive on PC or Windows.